right above it. There she is right there. It's a female cardinal. She has a male cardinal too. It comes in and eats too. So I've seen this female cardinal, and then there's a little one just jumping around. He's right up there. Anyways, we built this platform for them to stand on because the ledge wasn't big enough. They kept slipping off. There's another bird on the opposite side. But that's a female cardinal. Look, and you just sit right up there and eat it. Doesn't even have to fall on the ground. They just click it open. You can see them. You just click it open and shell it and drop it on the platform. That's fucking cool. My very first birdhouse. Come to me, birds.